Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by unlocking your iPhone and opening the Wallet app. Once done, look for Apple Cash or the card labeled with your balance. That's where the Apple Pay balance lives. Tap the card to open details and see the visible balance near the top. If you use multiple cards, swipe to find Apple Cash specifically. Make sure you're signed into the correct Apple ID because balances tie to your account and device settings. Now you'll scroll within the card detail view to reveal recent transactions and the balance breakdown. Once you tap Transactions or Activity, you'll see each incoming and outgoing item listed with dates and amounts, which explains why the balance may differ from what you expect. Make sure to note any pending transactions or refunds. Those affect available balance versus total. If you rely on other devices, repeat this to finish. Decide whether to reload Apple Cash, spend directly, or transfer funds to your bank using the transfer option. You'll see limits and processing times before confirming. If the balance doesn't appear, make sure iOS and Wallet are up to date, restart your device, and confirm Apple ID and network connectivity. If problems persist, contact Apple support and provide the device model, iOS version, and a brief description so they can escalate. That usually resolves account-specific issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.